True. I didn't help him. Who shoved him first? Who got hit?
Shove. Shove.
Who shoved him first? Who got hit?
And my tired and scared body wants to marry you.
It's twisted, but it's, very you.
Twist. Twist.
It's, very you.
Honestly, I would be grateful to have you by my side. I don't know how I'm going to get through this day alone.
Well, let's start by getting you upstairs and getting...
Upstairs. Upstairs.
Let's start by getting you upstairs and getting...
I was joking. No, I wasn't. Her bat mitzvah was...
Bat. Bat.
Her bat mitzvah was...
Dated, of course, lest someone suspect your union was motivated by something other than your tender feelings.
Tender. Tender.
Something other than your tender feelings.
I mean, no one would do that to themselves.
Are you kidding? Battling Blair, the fashion line. Even you had a crush on her.
Crush. Crush.
Even you had a crush on her.
Although, she did lead Dan and Blair to Juliet after Serena was drugged. That was the right thing to do.
And wasn't there a lot of stuff that she knew but didn't post until...
Stuff. Stuff.
And wasn't there a lot of stuff that she knew but didn't post until...
Chuck!
Sorry, I couldn't call.
Really scared us.
Scare. Scare.
Really scared us.
Should I even ask what happened on that rooftop?
The less you know, the better.
Well, for once, I guess it's a good thing that I'm out of the loop.
Loop. Loop.
I guess it's a good thing that I'm out of the loop.
Within weeks, I was getting dozens of emails with stories about Upper East Siders, so I posted them anonymously.
Anonymous. Anonymous.
So I posted them anonymously.
Is your life really ruined, Blair? If you think about it, we're all on track to do exactly what we wanted to do.
But he schemed and lied and spread horrible stories.
Horrible. Horrible.
But he schemed and lied and spread horrible stories.
Good to see you again.
Mr. Archibald, what do you say to speculation that you'll be announcing?
Speculation. Speculation.
Archibald, what do you say to speculation that you'll be announcing?
Good to see you again.
Mr. Archibald, what do you say to speculation that you'll be announcing your bid for the mayor's race any day now?
Bid. Bid.
Announcing your bid for the mayor's race any day now.
No doubt thanks to your wonderful parenting.
I know. Last minute inspiration.
Inspiration. Inspiration.
Last minute inspiration.
There was literally 40 paparazzi and 200 girls screaming and gathered around our trailers.
Trailer. Trailer.
Screaming and gathered around our trailers.
Feeling right now, it's a poignant one. It's good. Not the sad, empty nest face already.
Nest. Nest.
Not the sad, empty nest face already. Not the sad, empty nest face already.
It's been a wonderful character and I've enjoyed it thoroughly.
Thoroughly. Thoroughly.
It's been a wonderful character and I've enjoyed it thoroughly.
I think we ought to say a proper goodbye.
It's gonna be really strange to not have that every day. I think we're all gonna go through a bit of withdrawal.
Withdrawal. Withdrawal.
I think we're all gonna go through a bit of withdrawal.
The girls are spoiled, stupid, and ungrateful.
Stephanie Savage is one of the smartest, most talented people I've ever met.
Talented. Talented.
One of the smartest, most talented people I've ever met.
And reporting it.
Is that true?
What? You were in jail?
That was something that felt like it was a real hook to the show.
Hook. Hook.
That was something that felt like it was a real hook to the show.
God, you'll never believe what's on Gossip Girl.
Someone saw Serena getting off the train at Grand Central.
The tagline for the first season was
Tag. Tag.
The tagline for the first season was it definitely was ahead of the trend.
The lives that these kids were living was so fascinating that there was a website devoted to them.
Web. Web.
That there was a website devoted to them.
And so you don't get the magic of walking down, you know, a street in Soho and seeing all the things happening and the cabs going around in the background.
Cab. Cab.
And the cabs going around in the background.
I heard you didn't do that anymore.
Special occasion.
I don't know exactly how I tune in.
Tune. Tune.
I don't know exactly how I tune in. And I was auditioning every single day for pilots, and automatically I was like, I love Blair.
Automatically. Automatically.
Automatically I was like, I love Blair.
I kind of sit in this little swivel chair, and this girl just kind of swivels around, like cute as a button, and it was late.
Cute. Cute.
I'm like cute as a button, and it was late.
And
please welcome Blake Lively.
Gossip Girl was invited to do a panel at the Paley Festival that first year.
Festival. Festival.
At the Paley Festival that first year. Don't tell. I think at first critics were kind of like, this is a silly show about teenagers.
Silly. Silly.
Like, this is a silly show about teenagers.
I think it's just a chaser.
We were always getting in trouble for kind of pushing the envelope too far.
Envelope. Envelope.
For kind of pushing the envelope too far.
To kiss Chase out in front of the Plaza Hotel, having thousands of teenage girls crying.
Teenage. Teenage.
Having thousands of teenage girls crying.
Our costume designer has done an amazing job since the pilot of really being able to express character through costume and
costume. Costume.
Of really being able to express character through costume and
Are you being arraigned for something?
Actually, I would always love to see what Ed stepped out wearing. You know, in the beginning, it was way more ridiculous, you know.
Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
In the beginning, it was way more ridiculous, you know. Actually, I would always love to see what Ed stepped out wearing. You know, in the beginning, it was way more ridiculous, you know, yellow socks and like...
Sock. Sock.
You know, yellow socks and like...
Not just through Eric Damon, but the designers that we got to meet.
I heard Marc Jacobs named a purse after her.
Purse. Purse.
I heard Marc Jacobs named a purse after her. I heard Marc Jacobs named a purse after her.
A lot of them have become fashion icons.
Icon. Icon.
A lot of them have become fashion icons. Most
because he wears his black t-shirt and his black blazer.
Didn't go so well for those who showed up at Blair's birthday party.
Huh. Huh.
Blair's birthday party.
And we covered it in chocolate syrup.
I die.
I think they've been intelligent with guest stars and.
Intelligent. Intelligent.
I think they've been intelligent with guest stars and.
We really think about the music that goes in the show. Alice Fitzsavis, our music supervisor, is all over that, and our
Supervisor. Supervisor.
Alice Fitzsavis, our music supervisor, is all over that, and our
Oh, so prom tomorrow night. What do you say? We stay in, watch some scary movies?
The scarier, the better.
Absolutely.
Scary. Scary.
Scarier, the better.
Absolutely.
I used to make a file of pieces that I really loved, and at the very end of the show, I was going to be really bold and ask for them. But
Bold. Bold.
but